Hi, this is Wakamatsuya. Today, I'm taking you to one of Tokyo's most iconic spots, Asakusa. Just 15 minutes from Tokyo Station, this place feels like stepping into traditional Japan. And here it is, Kaminarimon Gate.
すごい。仁王像、これが中見
Right
世か。
behind it, Nakamise Street.
すごい。
A lively street filled with traditional sweets, souvenirs, and local culture. And look at this crowd. You can hear English, Chinese, French, people from all over the world. Honestly, it feels like there are more tourists than locals. And over there, Tokyo Sky Tree, the tallest tower in Japan. Let's keep walking. This massive gate is Hozomo, one of most iconic photo spots in Asakusa. Don't miss it. And here we are, Sensoji Temple. People believe that incense here brings good fortune, so hopefully a little boost for my brain too. Time to make a wish. Place your offering, clasp your hands, and calm your mind. There is so much to explore around here. Even a peaceful garden with koi fish. A quiet contrast to the busy streets outside. Alright, I'm getting hungry. Is here? Oops, wrong line. Okay, this one.
はい、次の方こちらにお願いします。最後尾の方こちらにお願いします。
Isn't this line fast? Okay, next is my turn. And wow,
一つください。
that was fast. You may need to prepare some coins.
200円台です。
浅草メンチ。じゃん。いただきます。
How do you think this sounds? Nice. Crispy outside, juicy inside, but super hot. Be careful.
あった。
what is this? A frozen Mitsuya cider? I've never seen this before. Let's try it.
氷点下のやつ。ちょうどいらっしゃる。
It's icy cold and very refreshing.
すげえ。
Oh, what's that sound? A traditional street performance. Chindonya. You don't see this every day.
ありがとうございます。うわ、すごい。凍ってきた。
Oh wow. The Mitsuya cider turning into a slushy. You see that sparkle? That texture is amazing. It was still the end of February, but I was surprised to see the cherry blossoms in bloom.
焼いてる。
And
16個。
of course,
すみません、16個
Ningyo-yaki,
一つください。
a
はい。
classic Asakusa sweet snack. They make it right in front of you. It's simple, sweet, and fresh.
おー、すごっ。手で掴んでっちゃう。
ちょっと行ってみよう。すごいね。
そもそもビールが苦いからな。
Time for a short break. I ordered
は
three
い、すいません。
color
はい、どうもありが
dango.
とうございます。可愛いっすね。
Looks beautiful and go
ね
in one bite.
味もいい。お、ありがとうございます。
Yummy. It's just the right amount of sweetness and absolutely delicious. You've got to try it when you can.
うまっ。
So, how was Asakusa? A place full of history, culture, and amazing street food? This is Japan. If you're visiting Tokyo, you definitely shouldn't miss it. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.